Welcome to Health IQ Hub, the place where we break down science, medicine, and wellness into simple, practical steps you can use every day. Today's topic is one of the most important and comprehensive we've ever discussed. Asterisk everything you need to know for a healthier lifestyle. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the essential pillars of health, nutrition, exercise, sleep, stress management, preventive care, and lifestyle habits. So by the end, you'll have a clear, science-backed roadmap to living healthier, longer, and smarter. Think of this as your masterclass in health, where every piece of advice is evidence-based and focused on helping you make sustainable changes. The first pillar is nutrition. From a pharmacist perspective, we can think of food as medicine. Each meal you eat is like a daily prescription, either strengthening your body or silently contributing to disease. A balanced diet means eating the right mix of macronutrients, carbohydrates for energy, proteins for repair and immune function, and healthy fats for hormone regulation. Equally important are micronutrients like vitamins and minerals, which support immunity, energy metabolism, and strong bones. Fiber and water are often overlooked, but are vital for gut health, blood sugar control, and detoxification. To put this into practice, aim for a colorful plate with fruits and vegetables of different shades, because each color represents unique antioxidants. Choose whole grains instead of refined, limit sugary drinks and processed foods, and drink plenty of water, at least 2 to 3 liters daily. A good diet is the best preventive medicine against conditions like diabetes, high blood pressure, and heart disease, which pharmacists and doctors encounter daily in their patients. The second pillar is exercise, which works like a natural drug with no side effects. The World Health Organization recommends at least 150 minutes of moderate physical activity each week, which translates to just 30 minutes a day for 5 days. Exercise boosts circulation, strengthens the heart, balances blood sugar, lowers cholesterol, and improves mood by releasing endorphins. It is literally a natural antidepressant and anti-inflammatory treatment combined in one. A balanced exercise routine should include cardiovascular activities like brisk walking, cycling, or swimming, strength training to protect muscles and bones, and flexibility exercises like yoga or stretching. The key is consistency. Even small amounts of daily activity are more beneficial than occasional intense workouts. The third pillar is sleep, which is often the most neglected part of a healthy lifestyle. Adults need about 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Poor sleep increases the risk of obesity, diabetes, depression, and memory decline. Sleep is not just rest. It is a time when your body repairs tissues, balances hormones, and consolidates memories. To improve your sleep, set a consistent bedtime, avoid caffeine and alcohol in the evening, limit screen time before bed, and create a sleep-friendly environment that is cool, dark, and quiet. Think of sleep as a night shift for your body's repair crew. It's when healing, detoxification, and brain recovery happen that we move to stress and mental health, which are just as important as physical health. Chronic stress elevates cortisol, a hormone that, when constantly high, contributes to weight gain, high blood pressure, suppress immunity, and even heart disease. From a pharmacist perspective, we often see patients struggling with medication adherence or side effects made worse by stress. Instead of unhealthy coping strategies like smoking, alcohol, or overeating, adopt healthier methods. Try meditation, prayer, mindfulness, journaling, or simply taking a walk in nature. Talking to a trusted friend or professional can make a big difference. Mental health is not a luxury. It is a vital component of overall well-being. Seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. The fifth pillar is preventive care and medication safety. Prevention truly is better than cure, and simple steps can protect you from major illnesses later in life. Keep your vaccinations updated, including seasonal flu shots and other recommended immunizations. Go for regular screenings like blood pressure checks, cholesterol tests, blood sugar monitoring, and cancer screenings appropriate for your age and family history. Medication safety is also crucial. As pharmacists, we know how dangerous it can be when patients skip doses, take medicine without proper instructions, or mix alcohol with prescription drugs. Always ask your doctor or pharmacist before starting a new medication, especially if you are already taking others, to avoid harmful drug interactions. Finally, the sixth pillar is lifestyle habits for longevity. This includes avoiding harmful substances like tobacco, limiting alcohol, maintaining a healthy weight, and building strong social connections. Longevity is not just about adding years to your life, it is about adding quality to those years. Staying socially active, learning new skills, maintaining curiosity, and engaging in purposeful activities keep both the mind and body strong. Research shows that people who nurture relationships and find meaning in their daily lives live not only longer but also happier. So, in summary, the 6 key pillars of health are good nutrition, regular exercise, quality sleep, stress management, preventive care, and healthy lifestyle habits. Each one is interconnected, and together they form the foundation for a long and fulfilling life. Remember, health is not built overnight. It's a result of consistent daily choices. Think of it as investing in your future self, one decision at a time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Health IQ Hub for more science-based health guidance. And let me know in the comments, which of these 6 pillars do you feel most motivated to improve today? Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious, and keep building your health IQ. Thank you.